Welcome to Enovian Cake and Cookies. Today I am making Rumali Paratha. Soft, thin and perfectly layered paratha that melts in your mouth. A restaurant style favorite you can easily make at home. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add half cup water, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon salt. Mix well. Add 1 and 1/4 cup flour and mix to form a soft dough. Rumali Paratha is named after its thin handkerchief-like texture. Knead well. Rub some oil and keep aside for 10 minutes. Resting the dough improves texture. Now take a portion of dough and roll it out. Now prepare layering mixture. Mix 2 tablespoon oil with 2 tablespoon corn flour to make a slurry. Spread the cornflour slurry evenly. Fold as shown to create layers. The layering gives it a soft and flaky texture. Keep aside for 2 minutes. Now roll gently into a thin paratha. Do not roll too thick, keep it thin. Heat a pan and cook on medium heat. Apply little oil and cook both sides until light golden brown. It is commonly served with kebabs and curries. Homemade paratha is fresh and hygienic. You can control oil uses. Provides energy through carbohydrates. Pair with vegetables or protein for balance. Your soft Rumali Paratha is ready. Serve hot with your favorite curry. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Enovian Cake and Cookies for more easy recipes.